Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am pleased to launch a professional flexible laminate costing tool which is built for packaging experts to deliver precise and consistent cost estimates in seconds. Its complimentary access is available to Afflatus Gravier Ahmedabad customers. It's designed for the global packaging industry, currently configured for India. It is configurable for any country and currency worldwide. It's seamlessly accessible on mobile and web browsers. In the following slide, we will walk through a live demo of the application. So friends, how do you find it? Give your feedback in the comments. Let's summarize key features of FLCC app. 1. Real-time cost calculation. 2. Multi-layer structure costing. 3. Material-wise cost breakdown. 4. Process cost integration. 5. Customizable input parameters. 6. Accurate cost per kg and per pouch. 7. Mobile and browser accessible. 8. User-friendly interface. 9. Time saving and error reduction. 10. Design for packaging professionals. 11. Configurable for all countries worldwide. One more point, any flexible packaging converter can join this FLCC app as supplier. Complimentary access for after-touch Gruyere Ahmedabad customers. To join the global packaging community on WhatsApp, scan the QR code on the left and fill out the registration form. Hello friends, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video if you want to stay updated with the future of packaging technology. Thank you.